Welcome to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to disable notifications from WEBTOON. Now let us begin, and do note that in order to do so, you guys do not even need to be signed up. Now let's simply look at how to disable the notification. At the bottom right next to this My button, you can see something called as More. It is those three dots. Click on it. Once you do that, this page will open up. From here, let's simply search for settings. Right next to search, you can see the settings button. Remember the icon. Click on it. And from here, as you guys can see, this is the settings tab. Well, from here you can simply turn off the email notifications. I'm simply gonna toggle them off. And as such, this is it. And here right here is the notification tab. You can simply go there by just scrolling down. I'm just gonna toggle this off. And that's it, guys. Do note that you can also toggle off the marketing notification. And that is it, guys. That's how we disable notification on WEBTOON. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and definitely subscribe. Until next time, thank you.